How to make a withdrawal on Blockfi or how to withdraw on Blockfi. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Besnad, and today I'll guide you on how you can withdraw on Blockfi. Now unfortunately I'm unable to show you right here, but I'll just be guiding you through the steps through the website here. Now I'll leave a link to this website on the comments section as well, or on the description. You can check it out. Now first, step one, you will have to log into your Blockfi account. Only verified accounts. Now make sure to verify your account, since only verified accounts are allowed to withdraw funds on Blockfi, so make sure you are verified. In addition, Blockfi is currently limiting its withdrawals, so make sure that you are eligible to make withdrawals. Once you have made sure that you are eligible for withdrawal, then you, within your Blockfi account, you want to tap on the drop down menu and then press on the profile settings and then choose crypto addresses and make sure that allow listing is on. Now you will be able to add your new Django address. Make sure you add all the address relevant to the asset you wish to withdraw, and then you can choose here. Now it's showing up Django, but you can use any wallet, and then you can use any wallet to withdraw and then get the wallet address and then paste it there, and you can use it to withdraw. Now I'll just skip through this step 2, but on step 3 you can click on withdraw and then select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw when selecting assets, and then make sure that they are supported by the particular wallet that you are wishing or willing to withdraw on. So this way you can withdraw on Blockfi. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.